about medical insurance. Medical insurance is a health cover that is designed to provide protection in the event of in the event of in the event of medication as a result of an illness or accidental. We have categories of medical cover ranging from inpatient and outpatient. And that's why we also have the joining age for the same categories, which is inpatient or outpatient, of a 1 month old baby to an adult of an age of up to 80 years. Medical cover is it also has extensions of benefits that is from maternity, dental, and optical covers. Uh, the question comes in when now an individual or a family wants to buy a medical cover and then they are not sure of which cover to take or what limit to choose. Now, the way we address that question to our clients, we always advise our clients that when before you choose, you decide which cover you want to take, you should look at the size of your family, and those are the parameters that are used to that will assist us in advising you which cover is going to be to suit you. Now, when I talk of the size of your family, I mean you look at the age of the main member, that is the principal or spouse. Now if you look at that and then you look at the children. The children are ranging from which age and then how many, the number of the children at the same time. Now, when you start us with that, the next question will be which limit is going to be suitable for you. Remember, after you have looked at the size of your family, you will automatically think of now the limit. Because if you have a limit of, if you have a family, for example, of M plus three, I mean that is the main, uh, the principal member, then plus the spouse and two children. If you have a family of like M plus 3, for example, that you can, if you come up and choose a limit of a half a million, that limit may look a bit small to you because the limit of a half a million normally suits people who are individual, people who do not have other dependents with them. Now, once you realize that, the next question now will be, uh, which other benefit do you want to add on the cover that you want to purchase? Now, the benefits, we are now the one who will advise you on how each and every benefit works. And that is now what will also assist you in deciding whether you are going to choose maternity, whether you are going to choose dental, or you are going to choose the optical. Some of these benefits you are advised to choose if you have if you have for example, if you have one of the dependents who has an issue with the either dental or optical, you are encouraged to choose those limits because they may assist when they may assist you in future in case of an illness of the same. For maternity, we always advise that you have to, because it has a waiting period of 1 year. So when you purchase a maternity cover as a benefit, then you have to wait for another. By the time when you'll be renewing that maternity cover, that's when now you'll be covered. There is another thing that has also we have also come to realize in this medical cover, and we have because these are the feedback that we always get from our clients. They give that to us, and then we have also decided now to bring them out so that for those clients who are willing to purchase the cover, they may also know that this cover they may also be aware. Uh, Pre-existing condition. Pre-existing condition has been an issue because most clients, when they come to purchase the cover, you realize that some individuals just come to purchase the cover because they have an illness already. Now, we don't refuse that, but we will cover you, but we will tell you that now the cover will start immediately. The cover will start immediately, but the pre-existing condition, the condition that you already have, will have to wait for a certain period. For example, I can give a good example of like this notorious disease, the cancerous disease. It always has a waiting period of like 1 year. So like now when someone comes on board and they have a pre-existing condition of that nature, we always advise that we are going to cover you for any other illness that will happen, any other illness that you do not have but may come. But now, this one that you already have, we will cover it. We will cover it after this period lapses of 1 year, or any other. Sometimes it may extend even to more than 1 year, or even it may be shorter to a period of like 6 months, depending on how we will have assessed it. In such an event, we may also ask the client uh, to to go for a medical checkup, so that we are also sure that indeed this disease, the client, so that we can confirm that the client has this disease, and then now we can now award the waiting period. Another thing that I also wanted to talk about is the, the premium payment. When now it comes to an issue of now, client now has made up their mind that they want to buy this cover. We always now have an issue whereby the client want to pay the premium in installments. Now, medical cover is it is a high risk cover. So when you come to purchase the medical cover, we always advise that because the risk we are taking is sooner. Because you may purchase the medical cover today and tomorrow you fall sick. So we always advise the client that you clear the premium because the cover will commence immediately. So if you, in case of an extension, because we still listen to our clients and we may advise the client that, okay, if you want to pay your premium installment, then we will allow you to pay the premium installment, but your cover will start after you finish the installment. That is something that we have also been getting as a challenge when we meet to interact with our clients, because we want to assist the clients in this manner, but sometimes we get now the client also is not able to do what is not able to like clear the premium at the moment, and the client wants the cover. So we always listen to our client and then we give them the option of, okay, you can pay in installment, and then your cover will commence after you have finished the installment period. And those are some of the key areas that I wanted to highlight today in regards to medical cover. And in case of any other question or any other any a place where maybe you did not understand or you may need some more clarification, you can follow the link below, and then we will still be there to assist you. Thank you very much for listening.